So the purpose of having this code, an example here for file iteration, is that if you ever needed to go read a whole bunch of text files and you were like, oh, I have to copy and paste, open them all up. Well, you don't have to do that. So just as the iteration techniques that we've talked about, you can go into your directory. So I'll put up a quick picture, and well, it's not letting me, but it will, just you have all those files in there. So the purpose I want you to, we're not going to be getting into these examples today, all right, in Codebook 8, but we'll be doing it just a little bit later. But I just want you to know that with any file that you open, it reads every line. And so it counts the lines, and it goes and reads the text in each of the lines, just simply with the with open and the R feature, right, to function. And I'd like to tell you that it's harder than this, but it's not. So I wanted you to be aware of this, and it has a nice example that works in here. And but the point of this is it's not to be more advanced with you, but if you needed to go and read something, it's pretty easy to figure out with the code that I've given you here. Okay, thank you.